Want to speak fluent English without overthinking? Welcome back to Speak Easy Every Day. I'm Jack, and today Priya and I share simple daily hacks to boost your confidence instantly. Let's dive in.
Priya, whenever someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," most people panic because they try to tell their whole life story.
That's so true, Jack. I used to get confused about what to say and what to skip. So, what is the secret three-step formula?
It's super simple. Just remember, present, past, and future.
Present, past, and future? Wow, that sounds easy to remember. Can you explain step 1, the present part?
Sure. In the present part, you just state your current role or what you are doing right now. For example, currently I am working as a sales executive, handling daily client calls.
Perfect. Clear and direct. Now, what about step 2, the past part?
In the past part, mention 1 or 2 past achievements or your education. For example, before this, I completed my degree in commerce and gained 2 years of experience in customer service.
That connects so smoothly. And finally, how do we end it with step 3, the future part?
For the future part, talk about your goals and why you want this opportunity. For example, looking ahead, I want to grow my skills in a dynamic company like yours.
Wow, Jack. Let me put it all together to see how it sounds.
Go ahead, Priya. Give it a try.
Currently, I am working as a sales executive. Before this, I completed my commerce degree and worked in customer service. Looking ahead, I am eager to join a growing team where I can contribute and learn. How was that?
Brilliant. That took less than 30 seconds, and it was complete, professional, and confident.
That makes answering this question so stress-free. Just 3 steps: present, past, and future.
Exactly. Practice this 3-sentence structure out loud 5 times today, and you'll never freeze in an interview again.